47 kids die annually from being locked in a car, forgotten by their parents. And that's not on the parents. Understand that we have a busy life, stuff gets in the way, and you have a lot to deal with. So it's not your fault. It says that 14% of parents have forgotten their kids in the car. And these studies show that being locked in a car, especially during the summer of especially Louisiana, temperatures can rise to 19 degrees in 10 minutes, so it can get hot fast. Let me move over to my colleague, Alan, and let him tell you about the design and the sensors.
So the sensors we implemented into the design was a reed switch that was in the car. On the side of the door, if you see the magnet is connected 1 inch for the alarm to sound. And then we have a pressure sensor that is implemented on the car seat, on the bottom of the car seat, and also a piezo speaker that will do the alarm sound. And also we have one Arduino that is connected to everything, all the sensors in there. And the design, we have a car seat. Thanks for Jacob bringing it. And the car was made out of the foam board.
So this is our code for the program. It's very simple, just 2 if statements that communicate with these devices. So when you put pressure down onto the pressure sensor and the door is closed, nothing will happen. But if you're pushing pressure down and you open the door, it sounds the alarm. However, if you're not applying pressure and you open the door, nothing happens.